I've never been one to wait for the promotion, so I became the self-appointed head of marketing. In 2006, I ditched my corporate sales gig and became the self-appointed head of marketing for our small family business. With a non-existent budget, which I didn't realise at the time, we needed results fast, so I turned to online marketing, and this was a printing business. I learned pretty quickly about direct response copywriting and email marketing, and the results started rolling in. By 2008, I knew online marketing was for me, and it was the same year that Facebook launched their ad platform. I was hooked. Since then, I've created and launched over 10 courses, hosted hundreds of webinars, and helped thousands of clients in almost every industry you can name market their business to create financial security and enjoy the freedom and flexibility in their everyday lives. And now I'm doing what I love the most, supporting women-led businesses to use Facebook and Instagram ads to grow, so they can share their message with the world to make a bigger impact for their mission and vision. If this sounds like you, I would love the opportunity to support you. Jump over to my website to explore the ways we can work together.